Hey everybody, I'm Melody Blue. Welcome to our channel. I say R because Granny's glasses. Cause it is our channel. Y'all help me get where I'm at. Oh, okay. I've been working on my fade, as you see. So, what do you do if you mess up a fade? You're probably wondering, what do we do? Just use an example because I ain't messed up mine. But say you did. Say you did. Just black markers so you can see. Probably could have did it without the ruler, but okay. So don't give up on it. Don't give up on it. I'm gonna show you what to do if you think you messed up your fade. We're gonna discuss that right here and now. Let me see. I'm using Prismacolor. What are you? Okay. I'm using blues. We've got denim. We've got sky blue light and Indanthrone blue. So let's just lightly. Y'all not gonna be able to see this blue, this light blue, but so that's your light blue. Now you're coming in with your medium blue, and you just want to go about halfway in, like so. Now you're going to come in with your darker blue, and you're not going to want to go down so far. So say you're doing everything right, everything's going smooth, and the next thing you know is, hang on. The next thing you know is you've covered up your light blue quite by accident. Okay? So now you're thinking it's ruined. Alright? You done messed up and lost your light area. This is why I have wanted y'all to get one of these. It's a battery operated eraser, and you can make sure you use a clean eraser. What I'm doing here, this is how you sharpen it, get an edge on it. I just use a fingernail file. Now I got a little edge on it. So, what you do is, you take your little battery operated sharpener. You can erase it all, or you can just lightly erase it back to where you want your light blue. So now you can come in with your light blue and put it back in there. Make sure you always use a clean eraser. Okay, say you don't have a battery operated eraser. What do you do then? Well, you need a clean eraser. Always keep your erasers clean. You can you can use the fingernail What did I do with it? You know, I just had that in my hand. Now where did it go? Oh. Oh, well, it don't matter. Do it. It's just use a clean eraser and lightly go over it. You can go over it all if you want to. Say like you got this too dark. You don't want it that dark. So you can always use an eraser to bring back your light area. And it will also, if you can use, if you don't like your dark color, that's why I really like y'all to have a battery operated one, because I don't know what I just did with that. Oh well. Anyway, it's up here somewhere. Wherever it is, I'll find it. Amongst all this mess that I call a desk. Anyway, you can use a regular eraser. I don't recommend using one of these erasers. They will leave a spot on your paper. You can't see it, but it's there. It leaves like a film on the paper. That's why I don't like that one. I like, forgot to tell you what. This is a Pentel high polymer eraser. You get them on Amazon, pretty cheap. It's made out of stuff that won't leave like a film on your paper. So that's an option there. And if you don't have the battery, you can get it on Amazon. Mine's an Art and Fly. They're cheap. You can get them for a little nothing. There it is. You can use this to clean up your, see, I got some blue on it. All you gotta do is rub it on your fingernail file until it's all good and clean again. That's one good thing about having a fingernail file. But like I said, I don't recommend these whatsoever. I mean, if I'm drawing a light, something on something I don't care about, it's different. It's just that way. So anyway, you've got your light blue back. Don't lose it this time. Now you just go through there and go ahead and get your light blue down where you want it. And try not to go over into it too much. That you don't want to do. You got your darker color. You don't want to go too far in with that either. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and match a little hard on it, kind of blend it out. Now I'm not burnishing it. Of course it will be on this paper, but you just keep doing that. Like I said, you don't have to do it till you used up your tooth. You don't want to do that. Now you can just come back in with a little bit more. You want to get up into the darker. You see the fade coming? Even if you think you've ruined it, all is not lost. There is a fix. My light blue is too light for this, but y'all get the picture, right? I'm not going for perfection. I just want to teach y'all what to do and what not to do. Yeah, if you lose a color, like your mid-tone, the eraser trick still works. But you will have to come back and touch up and redo. And you can do that more than once. If you're in your fade somewhere and something happens, just stop what you're doing, go back, and either I'm telling you what, these things are worth their weight in gold. Have you ever been coloring along on your page? You know, like so, and oops, oh my God, not to fear. We'll put it back in line. Like it didn't even happen. How's that? That's why I say it's worth its weight in gold, because I've done that on a picture, got way out of line. So I recommend, you don't have to use this brand. Get you a battery powered eraser, or if you can't get that, get this Pentel high polymer eraser. They don't leave a film on your paper. So I hope y'all are doing great. I'm doing good. Battling a little bit of depression, but hey, you know, it's that time of year, and I'm alone, and you know, my granddaughter acts like I don't exist unless she wants something. So, yeah. But I'll be alright. I mean, yeah, I'm missing my daughter. She should be here, but she isn't. And, you know, that's just something I have to deal with. Waking up and finding her passed away at my bedside. Let me tell you something. Parents' hearts weren't created for that kind of pain. We ain't supposed to bury our babies. They supposed to bury us. And it just seems so out of whack. You know what I'm saying? It's like nature is just out of whack. I can't explain it. But I'll deal with it. You know, I did deal with it. And yes, I used coloring to help me, and I still use it to help me. And sometimes I have cried making a video, but I didn't undo it and re-record it. I just left it. That way I can go back and see, hey, you know, this is how bad you were then. You know, and how much better I am now. It still hurts. And Christmas, birthdays, it really gets me. It does. I ain't ashamed to admit it. So anyway, guys, I love each and every one of y'all. You know I do. Those that's been with me for a while, they know. And so I love you. Until the next one, peace out. Bye.